Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear watcher, dear subscriber, hope you will be fine and in the high state of Iman and health. Myself, Prof MA Raza, motivational speaker, leadership business coach, master trainer, language trainer. So I'm gonna take a conversation and take a gossip with you, and I'm requesting you that if you are a new channel viewer, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to got the notification of my latest videos and got the notification of my latest topics. Today I want to give you some tips about your tourist, about your tourist planning, about your tours, about your trips and about your visits. Usually we don't have a plan that where we are going. We don't have a particular action planning. We don't have a particular base of our plan where we are going and what type of the tourist, what type of the trip we want. There are usually three types of trips. Number one, recreational or study tour. Number two, your fanship tour. And number three, the tour with your family or with your particular persons. So before going to the tour, what are the necessities and what are the actual phenomena and what are the base of your tour and what are the basic key points of your going to a tour? Number one, first of all, you have a roadmap where you are going. You can now do it by your Google map or do it by a hard copy. It's up to you. I'm not suggesting it. It's up to you what are the situation to you to do it. Second thing how many days you are going to plan of your tour? What are the problems will you face there? What are the hospitality management will you face there? What are the different type of issues and what are the different type of problems will you face there? So you have to maintain your habitual functions according to your tour or your tour according to your habitual function. And the number three and the thrice thing is that tour is not just a fun. Tour will convert your all thoughts, sequences, your spokens, your values, your thinkings about particular things to a particular place. You put yourself into a new and different place and feel there different type of weathers, different type of compulsions, different type of hardships and so on. But that time of your activities and facts will give you the actual action to do better in your life, in your daily life or in your particular life or in your general life. The fourth thing is that, do you have idea what are the weather forecasts there? Do you have idea what necessities you have there to maintain your tour in a better position? And the last thing, number fifth is that if you are going somewhere which is not in your regular destinations, then be prepared your mind according to the tour, according to the situation and according to the actual particulars and parameters which are available there. Now at the end I have a book for you as the introduction of book. You know that in my all videos I usually introduce you a book which is particular about your thoughts, about your merits and about your interest and so on. So this is a book named Muraqaba. In English you can say that meditation. The book name is Muraqaba. In English you can say meditation, and the name is the name of the writer is Osho, and this is written by him, and they are the lectures of Osho, and there are total I want to give you 4 different types of chapters. And in chapter number 1, what is meditation, what type of meditations, what is the zygo, or what is the starting or base of a meditation, what is complete silence, what is spiritual silence, what is intensity, and what is intensive care, what is love and meditation, what is overjoy, and what is overconfident, what is your wiseness, what is your feedback, and on the other hand, what is your nature, and why you are introvert or why you are extrovert. And in the second chapter there are different types of the ways which you start your meditation, and then catharsis and the different things you will find in it. So this is the book Muraqabah, written by Osho, and this is published by Nigarshat Publisher, 24 Mazang Road, Lahore. Phone number 00924237322892. This is not my number, this is the name of the publisher's number, and their email ID is nigarshat@yahoo.com. So this was my video, and at the end there is going to start the and at the end I want to say that please do something for the humanity.